Hey guys, it's PC and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So by the title of this video today, I'm going to be installing a frontal wig for the very first time. I can't wait, I can't wait. I've never tried it before. I've never had a wig, like installing a wig or getting a wig installed on my head before. This is going to be my first time and I'm doing it by myself. So I'm not going to say much, but I'm definitely going to show the whole process and everything. And I'm not a professional, of course. I watched some videos on YouTube on how to install a for beginners and everything. Things are going to be nail wax or edge control and a wig cap. Then this goes to be, I got a smaller one because I feel like I don't need a big one. This is enough. And so this is the wig. It's a colored wig, my favorite color. Here's the wig. This is the inner. I don't know how I'm going to do this thing, but I'm just going to try my best because so as you can see, Nepa took the lights for no reason. I don't know why. It's so annoying, and I'm so sorry about the noise in the background. And I don't know why Nepa act like this. I don't know why. But yeah, so let's get into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and oh, I got this. But it's not for me, it's for my mom. Turn on your post notifications to get notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, let's get into the video. camera to do some adjustments and cut off some laces. As you can see, I think it's better now, so I'm just going to lay the edges, and I'm going to do that off camera because it's not that convenient. I can't, like, I have to be focused on one, either my mirror or the camera, and obviously the mirror would help better than the camera, so I have to do the edges or lay the edges off camera, and I'll be back.